Hey there, little music star. Welcome to the instrument wonderland. Have you ever seen a harmonica? It's a small, shiny instrument that fits right in your pocket. But don't let its size fool you. It makes amazing music. You play the harmonica by blowing or breathing in through its little holes. Each breath creates a new sound. Some are happy and bouncy, like jumping frogs, and others are soft and sweet, like a quiet evening under the stars. The harmonica is super fun because you can play it anywhere, at home, at a campfire, or even while walking around. It's used in blues, country, and even happy dance songs. Are you ready to pick up a harmonica and start making magical music? Let's huff, puff, and play.